Hey girl, I'm waiting on you. I'm waiting on you. Come on and let me sneak you out and have a celebration, a celebration. The music up, the windows down. Yeah, we'll be doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool, and we know it too. Yeah, we'll keep doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool. So tonight, let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love, and never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some and live while we're young. And live while we're young. Tonight, let's get some and live while we're young. Hey girl, it's now or never. It's now or never. Don't overthink, just let it go. And if we get together, yeah, get together. Don't let the pictures leave your phone. Oh, yeah, we'll be doing what we do, just pretending that we're cool. So tonight, let's go crazy, crazy, crazy till we see the sun. I know we only met, but let's pretend it's love, and never, never, never stop for anyone. Tonight, let's get some and live while we're young.
Red one.
Let's go to the beach, each, let's go get a wave. They say what they gonna say. Have a drink, clink, found a Bud Light. Bad bitches like me, it's hard to come by. The Patron, let's go get it down. The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. Is it 2, 3? Leave a good tip. I'ma blow all of my money and don't give two
I'm on
shits.
the floor. I love to dance, so give me more, till I can't stand. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop. We're higher than a motherfucker. We're higher than a Jump in my hoopty hoop, I own that. And I ain't paying my rent this month, I owe that. But fuck who you want and fuck who you like. Dance all life, there's no end in sight. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Now everybody let me hear you say right. Go spend all your money 'cause the day payday. And if you a G, you a G. My name is a nigga, you can call me Nicky. Get on the floor, like it's your last chance. If you want more, then here I am. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Can't stop 'cause we're so high. Let's do this one more time. Starships were meant to fly. Hands up and touch the sky. Let's do this one last time. Can't stop. We're higher than a motherfucker.
You shut it out, but I can't hear a word you say. I'm talking loud, not saying much. I'm criticized, but how are bullets ricochet? nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Cut me down, but it's you who have further to fall. Ghost town, haunted love. Raise your voice, sticks and stones may break my bones. Talking loud, not saying much. I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Ricochet, you take your aim. Far away, far away. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. Stone heart, machine gun, firing at the ones who run. Stone heart, those bulletproof glass. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall. I am titanium. You shoot me down, but I won't fall.
I threw a wish in the well. Don't ask me, I'll never tell. I looked at you as it fell, and now you're in my way. I trade my soul for a wish, pennies and dimes for a kiss. I wasn't looking for this, but now you're in my way. Your stare was holding, ripped jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby, but
Nagsimula ang lahat sa eskwela, nagsama-samang 12 sa kalokohan at sa tuksuhan, hindi maawat sa isa't isa. Madalas ang standby sa cafeteria, isang barkada na kaisaya. Laging may hawak-hawak na gitara, konting udyok lamang kakanta na. Kay simple lamang ng buhay noon, walang mabibigat na suliranin. Problema lamang laging kulang ang daton. Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sana nga ba? Sana nga ba? Sana napunta ang panahon? Sa unang ligaw kayo'y magkasama, magkasabwat sa pambobola. Walang sikreto kayong tinatago. Okay, sarap ng samahang barkada. Nagkawatakam na sa kolehiyo, kanya-kanya na ang lakaran. Kahit minsanan na lang kung magkita, pagkakaibigay hindi nawala. At kung saan na napadpad ang ilan, sa dating eskwela meron din naiwan. Meron pa ng mga ilang nawala na lang. Nakakamiss ang dating samahan. Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Sana nga ba, sana nga ba, sana nga bang barkada ngayon? Ilang taon din ang nakalipas, wala pa sa aming tatay na nagsusumikap upang yumaman at guminhawang kinabukasan. Paminsan-minsan kami nagkikita, mga naiwan at natira. At gaya nung araw namin sa eskwela, pag magkasama'y nagwawala. Napakahirap malimutan ang saya ng aming samahan. Kahit lumipas.
Life comes in many shapes. You think you know what you got until it changes. And life will take you high and low. You gotta learn how to walk and then which way to go. Every choice you make when you're lost, every step you take has its cause. After you clear your eyes, you see the light somewhere in the darkness. After the rain has gone, you feel the sun comes. And though it seems to some 525,600 minutes, 525,000 moments so dear, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year? In daylights, in sunsets, in midnights, in cups of coffee, in inches, in miles, in laughter, in strife, in 525,600 minutes. How do you measure a year in the life? How about love? How about love? How about love? Measuring love. Seasons of love. Seasons of love.
525,600 minutes, 525,000 journeys to a land, 525,600 minutes. How do you measure the life of a woman or a man?
In truths that she learned, or in times that he cried, and the bridges he burned, or the way that she
mga graduating students ng BS Pharmacy, first batch. You will be graduating this coming April 2014. Ako ay lubos na natutuwa at nagagalak sapagkat sa wakas, no, lahat ng inyong pinaghirapan ay lahat ng inyong paghihirap ay matatapos na at aanihin nyo na ang bunga ng lahat ng inyong pinaghirapan. Naalala ko pa kayo nung kayo ay first year, naging estudyante ko kayo sa physics. Ako ay masaya sa klase natin kasi nakita ko talaga na lahat kayo ay matatalino at masisikap sa inyong pag-aaral. Bukod sa kayo ay mga gwapo at nagagandahang mga estudyante ng BS Pharma. Gayon din ay naging isang pamilya na tayo nung kayo ay naging estudyante ko sa General Chemistry and Organic Chemistry. Bagamat hindi ko siguro kayo naituro lahat ng dapat nyo matutuhan during those times, marami naman ako naituro sa inyo magagandang bagay na alam kong nagamit nyo at patuloy nyo gagamitin sa inyong mga pagtahak pa sa dako ng inyong mga buhay. At naniniwala ako na kayo ay magiging successful kasi talagang na-develop sa inyo yung ating Gabrielian identities, no? Punctuality, good character, industrious, and what's the other one? A good listener. Sana ay huwag niyong kakalimutan, no? Ang Colegio de San Gabriel. Saan man kayo mapunta, ay huwag niyong kakalimutan na minsan sa inyong buhay ay nandito kayo at dito kayo hinuhong upang maging mahusay ng mga pharmacists. Again, good luck and congratulations to all of you.
Morning. Hello, Pharma. After 4 years, graduate na kayo. Alam ko marami na rin kayong pinagdaanan sa lahat ng mga subjects, especially sa mga major subjects. Congratulations kasi this is the first time na graduate ang BS Pharmacy sa ating school sa Colegio de San Gabriel Health. Sana maging matagumpay kayo sa inyong mga napiling career, especially in the field of pharmacy. God bless and good luck.
Come up to me
Ay, hello, fourth year pharma. Nagulat kayo, no? Iniwan ko kayo dyan na nagte-test. Well, nirequest ako ni Ma'am Milet to give a short message for you para sa inyong last Christmas party. Diba? So, fourth year na kayo. So, in due time, sandali na lang, in 3 months time, graduating na kayo. Anong masasabi ko sa inyong 7? Hooray sa inyong 7 at talagang kayo yung nag-survive among the rest. I remember medyo marami-rami kayo pero talagang masasabi ko proud ako, proud kami sa inyo kasi talagang yung staying power nyo talagang andito. Napo-foresee ko sa inyo since kayo namang 7 ay mga masisipag naman, no? So, masasabi ko rin na nakita ko kayong mag-grow, mag-mature, no? Kapareho ng first year kayo. So, sana lahat ng mga turo namin sa inyo, lalong-lalo na when it comes to behavior, sana eventually magamit nyo yun in the future. At sana talagang nakakontribute kami sa pagiging who the person you are right now. Okay, so sa March may mga mas marami pa tayong messages. So parang prelude lang to. So initial to. So I just wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and kung meron pa tayong celebration this Christmas, bago mag-Christmas vacation, then ipaalam nyo lang, no, para talagang matodo na natin kung ano man yung gusto nyong mangyari para sa season na ito. Again, good luck. Just keep it up, tapos we'll all see you again, no? Tsaka, anyway, may pasok pa naman hanggang March. Okay, so yun lang. So, once again, Merry Christmas!
I set you apart. Tell me you see.
Hi, BS Pharmacy students. Happy Pharmacy Week sa inyo. Especially to Dean Milet. And also sa 4th year pharmacy students. Sila Arjim, George, Dom, Rovelyn, Chai, Lara, Ira. Na-mention ko ba si George? Kumusta na kayo, guys? Narinig ko kay Ma'am Milet na graduating na daw kayo next year, March 2014. Hopefully. Ngayon pa lang, kino-congratulate ko na kayo, guys. You've come so far. Konti na lang. Papunta na kayo doon sa talagang destination ninyo. Maging licensed pharmacist. Pagbutihan ninyo ang pag-aaral pa, magsumikap pa, huwag gawing hadlang ang mga material na bagay na wala kayo. You will be an inspiration sa mga nakababata sa inyo dyan. Kaya malaki yung responsibilidad na nakaatang sa mga balikat ninyo. Maraming salamat sa opportunity binigay ni God. Actually, I'm thanking God so much for having that opportunity to teach you guys. Kasi naging inspirasyon din kayo sa akin. Dahil pinatunayan nyo rin sa akin, nakita ko din sa inyo na kahit ano palang pinagdadaanan ng isang tao sa buhay, kapag gusto niya talagang gusto niyang marating ang kanyang pangarap, gusto niyang makamit ang kanyang pangarap, walang pwedeng humadlang dito. God bless you guys. I will pray for your pagpasa sa board exam, kayong lahat, no? Pagsumikapan ninyo, lagi nyo tatandaan ha, wala yan sa school na pinanggalingan, wala yan sa material na bagay na meron o wala kayo. Hindi yan, wala yan doon. Nasaan yan? Nasa puso yan. Anong dapat meron sa puso? Faith, determination, perseverance. Okay? Basta as long as ang ginagawa ninyong motivation, ang pinaghuhugutan ninyo ng lakas ninyo, yung pangarap ninyo na makatapos, yung pangarap ninyo na marating kung ano yung gusto nyong marating sa buhay, that will be your strength. yung mga bagay na pinagdadaanan nyo sa buhay, humugot din kayo ng lakas mula dyan. Because from it, yung mga pinagdadaanan nyo na yan, ang tawag dyan kasi blessing in disguise eh. Na akala mo balakid, akala mo hadlang, pero at the end of the day, kapag narating mo na yung mga pangarap mo, napakasarap at napakatamis ng tagumpay. Ganun kasarap ang pakiramdam niya. Triumphant victory kung tawagin. Okay? So, again, congratulations. Happy Pharmacy Week. God bless you guys. Move on. Move forward. Walang pwedeng humadlang as long as matindi ang kapit natin sa ating at paniniwala natin sa ating mga pangarap. And always pray. Yan ang lagi niyong tatandaan. Sa buhay ng tao, hindi pwedeng walang Diyos. Okay? Saludo ako sa inyo guys. God bless.
Now let's go back to the start. Running in circles, coming in tails, heads on the sides apart. Nobody said it was easy. It's such a shame for us to part. Nobody said.
Hello, fourth year pharmacy students. Hindi ko nababanggitin ang pangalan nyo. Alam nyo naman na first year pa lang, bilis ng panahon, no? Nung tatandaan ko pa nung una nating klase, so nakita ko talaga na sa mga behavior nyo, sa appearance nyo ay talagang napakalaki ng pangarap nyo sa buhay. Para nakita ko na kagad yung determinasyon nyo makatapos ng pag-aaral. Kaya nga nag-start kayo noon siguro mga 12 or 13. So marami nang nawala, pero yung 5 sa inyo, hindi 5, no? 7, ay talagang survivor sa Pharma. So advance congratulations. Sana lahat kayo makagraduate at makapasa kayo sa board exam. So, nagpapasalamat din kami sa mga professors nyo sa pagtutok sa inyo, although hindi na kami gaanong ninyong nag-improve or na nagkikita tayo, pero sa likod nyo lang kami palagi. So, our prayer and guidance, kung kailangan nyo ng tulong, nandito lang kami ni Mami. And, congratulations sa thesis kasi kahit na medyo magastos, ginawa nyo pa rin yung best. So, yun lang. And Merry Christmas and good luck. So, thank you.
No one ever said it would be this hard. Oh, take me back to the start. I was just guessing at numbers and figures, pulling the puzzles apart. Questions of science, science and progress did not speak as loud as my